This man tells his wife he wants to buy a Maine Coon kitten, and here's her reaction. It's hilarious.
You're not going to pay $2,300 for a cat. Come on.
I work for this.
No, come on, Danny. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my God, Danny.
I work for this,
Oh my God.
which is probably my last.
You know, with $2,300 for a cat? You're out of your lemon line. You are really.
They're not,
out of your lemon line.
and that's not even as expensive as they get. And I got her to come down, at least a couple hundred.